Avi.
That's funny.
She has no idea what to make of them.
They're not backing down.
No. I think that's, and she's such a big dog, but look how big they are.
They're like, there's two of us. What are you?
Oh, such a good girl. You watchdog, you. You watchdog, huh?
Did you take on the Swans?
Watchdog.
They gotta have a nest down there.
Oh,
They were his together.
yeah.
Really?
But it's kind of like, hey, we own this. Look at that.
She gets a hold of one of them.
Oh, I know, it'd be lights out. But she seems more startled by them.
That's because they're not backing down.
Mm-hmm. Avi?
Hey, baby.
They still hissing?
Yeah, they gotta have a nest.
It's not the right season, Caleb.
They're like approaching me.
Are they looking for food? It might just be territorial. Let me see if I can get a picture.
They might still be good out. No, they do not. They have their best habitat. Yeah, but I want to be here for it.
There's Avi. All right. Avi, what did you think about those swans the other day? What did you think about those swans? You looking for more swans? Who won that standoff with you and the swans? Huh? Oh, did you win? Okay. All right. We'll accept that. You were the winner.